Dive into a world where finance meets technology. Welcome to PrimeXBT, a cutting-edge trading platform. Seize the day and learn the essentials of trading, where buying low and selling high is the name of the game. Ever heard of cryptocurrencies? These digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are changing the game. Forex trading, that's all about trading currencies from different countries against each other. Or perhaps commodities like gold, oil, or wheat spark your interest? Don't forget about stock indices. They're a key barometer of market performance. But remember, trading isn't without risks. Smart risk management is crucial for success. Unleash your inner analyst with technical analysis, using tools like charts and indicators to predict future price movements. Or delve into fundamental analysis, studying economic, social, and political forces that may affect supply and demand. Last but not least, ever wondered about leverage trading? It's a powerful tool allowing you to increase potential returns. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Welcome to the exciting world of trading with PrimeXBT.